Welcome to KK Readings. Let's read together. Bella's recipe for success. I'm helping Abiola in the kitchen when I can play the piano with my eyes closed. Mi hermano brags. So what? Mi hermana says, I can do 14 cartwheels in a row. Abiola says, oh, stop! We're all good at different things. We are? But what am I good at? Maybe I can be a fabulosa gymnast like my sister, but my somersaults are like giraffes rolling downhill. Nope, not fabulosa. Or maybe a great piano player like my brother, but my hands are as heavy as elephants' feet, and my music is not popular with my audience. Nope, not great at all. I know I can be a baker like Abiola. I beat and blend and mix and stir, and the cookie dough is deliciously yucky, salty. I just discovered something terrible. I'm not good at anything. I quit. I cover my face so nobody sees my wet eyes, but Abiola sees everything. Abiola, I say, can you teach me how to make polvorons with dulce de leche? We beat, we blend, we bake. But then I shout, oh no, it's as hard as a rock. Abiola says, sometimes that happens. Bella, we can always try again. Try again? I bet my sister doesn't need to. Then crash. No biggie, mi hermana says. Everyone makes mistakes sometimes. Not my brother. He knows what he's doing. Then plunk. Oops, said mi hermano. No problema. I need more practice. I can't believe it. Even mi hermano makes mistakes. Maybe I can try again too. I measure, I knit, I roll. But my dough crumbles like sand. Oops! I forgot the egg. No problem. Let's start over. I add sugar, margarina, vanilla, then egg and flour. Bien. Time to finish the filling. Stir, stir, stir without stopping. I add more sugar. And, oh no! My dulce de leche looks like cocodrilo skin. Then I smell the cookies. Yummy. Deliciosos. My belly roars and I decide to try one more time. I'm extra careful this time. I never stop stirring. Wow! My dulce de leche is as smooth as a salamander. And ta-da! polo worms are delicious. Finally, I'm good at baking and the matter of practicing. No worries, sometimes that happens. We can always try again. The end.
Thank you for reading with me. If you like my story, please subscribe, share, and like. Thank you.